What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video I got this strange lava lamp. It's not like usual lava lamp like you see this globe or ball and it looks blue. This is more like lightning lava lamp. Let's see what it does. I plugged it in. I think it was made in around 1970s. It's pretty vintage. Look at that spark, looks like a lightning. If I touch it with a finger I can actually move it around. And 2 fingers, look, it's lightning striking between my fingers. So epic. This is amazing, isn't it? Wow. When I saw that thing, I was like, how come they don't make them anymore? This thing was expensive because it's vintage and they don't really make them anymore. So whoever owns them can charge whatever they want. So I hope they're going to make them more because this thing is amazing. And look, you can actually change the frequency. And then you can slow it down. Wow, the slower the better, honestly. Whoa, if I put my finger in there, it's actually striking even faster, especially down here. So epic. It actually feels like real glass, not plastic, so it's amazing. That's so satisfying and mesmerizing. Look at that lightning strike go so quickly, and I can always speed it up or slow it down. Not slower. Wow. Let's see it in the dark. Not complete darkness, but whoa, this is awesome. This is so beautiful. The camera is freaking out. It doesn't know where to focus. They're just beautiful. What do you guys think? Let's try to touch it. Wow, this should be a thumbnail. It feels so good. This is amazing. I love that thing. I don't want to stop playing with this. So beautiful. Kinda heats up my finger. It feels warm. You see, wherever I touch it, it actually follows my finger. If you think this thing is amazing, give this video a thumbs up. Electrifying thumbs up right there. That's so epic. Awesome. I love the noise it makes. Probably one of the noises it makes is amazing. Whoa. This is crazy. Let me know in comments below if you used to have one of this when you were a child or you still have it. I'm playing with this thing for the first time and that's just so mesmerizing. I love this thing. Wow. I'm putting it in my bedroom. I'm just gonna look at it before I go to sleep. So relaxational. Wow. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.